Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to crochet one of these scrunchies. I will be crocheting around a hair elastic like this, so I'm just using like a standard black elastic. You can use any type of velvet or chenille yarn. Today I'm going to be using the Sweet Snuggles Light by Loops and Threads, and it's going to be in this pretty like baby green color. So for this project, you're going to need a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. You could also use a 7 millimeter. I just like this one that I have. It's aluminum and it works really well for me. You're also going to need a tapestry needle and some scissors. All right, so let's get started. First, I'm going to take my yarn and I'm going to make a slip knot, just leaving a short tail. And then with my crochet hook, I'm going to pull that nice and tight. And before we actually start crocheting around this, I'm just going to give a nice stretch. And I'm going to place my crochet hook right through the elastic. Then I'm going to grab this yarn right here and pull it through to create a slip stitch. And now we've attached the yarn to the actual elastic. From here, I'm going to chain up 2. So 1, 2, and then I'm going to place a double crochet right in the center of the elastic. So I'm going to yarn over, go through the elastic, grab a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook, pull through 2 loops. Now you should have 2, and then pull through the last 2 loops. So we have just created our first double crochet. Now, this is a super simple project because we are literally going to repeat that all the way around. You're just going to double crochet all the way around the elastic. So I'll show you how to do that again. So you're going to go under the yarn, through the elastic, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. So we've just done another double crochet. You can see 1, 2, 3. And I am just going to repeat that process all the way around. And so you can see how it's starting to curve around here. What you want to do now is just kind of scrunch all these stitches together and keep on going. And so you can see I'm almost to the end here, and as I've gone around, I've just kind of scrunched all the stitches together. So I'm going to keep going until there's not really any space left here on the black elastic. All right, so you'll know you're done when you try and go and place a double crochet and there's not any more space right here on the elastic. So now it is time to fasten off. So what we're going to do, so we're going to look at this very first stitch that we created, and we're going to slip stitch right into the top of that stitch to connect the beginning and the end. Now this is when you can take your scissors and leave about a 6-inch tail. You can pull right through and just fasten off. And now all we got to do is weave in this end right here and this end right here. So I'm going to grab my tapestry needle and thread that through. And I'm actually going to go right into this stitch right here, this way. And then I'm going to go back through this stitch right here to kind of create like a false stitch. See how that kind of blends together nicely. And then all I'm going to do is kind of make a little knot in the back just to secure it. Like so. Then I'm going to take the other end on the inside right here, thread my tapestry needle through there. And I'm going to thread it through the back of the scrunchie, because what I like to do is then tie these 2 pieces together. So I'm going to just take these and tie a double or triple knot. So 1, 2, and 3. And this just like really secures those ends in place so we know they're going to go nowhere. And then you can take your scissors and snip off those ends. And there you have it, a super stretchy and plush scrunchie. Let me know if you guys have any questions at all. Leave them down below in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this was a super helpful and quick and easy tutorial for these plush velvet scrunchies.